Hello everyone. Welcome back to learn another real testing challenge. One broken link can break the entire user journey. At the time of testing application may have great feature, even excellent design, but user clicks on a link and if it is landing on error page, their trust in the application drops immediately. In modern applications, there are hundreds or even thousands of links you will get. Like, for example, some links might be navigation links, might be product links, or it might be footer links. And even as application grows, keeping track of all these links becomes difficult everyone. Sometimes links are updated, maybe pages get removed, right? Or maybe URL got changed. And as a result, user may encounter 404 page not found errors, broken pages, or maybe incorrect redirect. And this create completely poor experience for the user that will affect on their entire journey, correct? So as a single broken link can impact user trust, even customer satisfaction, sometimes sales and revenue as well. And this is why link validation is important part of testing. So how we can validate links? Guys, manual validation is difficult, right? Imagine you are testing a website with hundreds of pages and manually clicking on every single link. It is time consuming, even repetitive task during every release, right? So validating all the links manually becomes almost impossible. But then what is another solution? What we can do? Guys, we can write automation script. Agree? Yes, using Selenium, using Playwright, we can write automation script where we have to write a appropriate logic. Accept first all the links from the application. After that, put some validation point if the link. My link should not be any kind of empty link or null ring, right? Correct. So I can say there must be reference attribute and it should not be null, something like that. And even you can see if the link is valid, then only by making some connection and all, we can pass it to the server. And there we can test it. If the response code available or coming from the server, if it is simply greater than, I can say 400 or it is equal to 400, then such a link we can consider as a simply broken link. So basically what is my point is we have to write a automation script and there only we can able to validate the link is a broken or link is a valid link or not. But the question comes here, okay? Instead of instead of writing script, how tester can quickly identify any broken links? Hmm? And this is where selector sub tool check my link will help you. Now let me explain you how this tool is beneficial to get the broken links very quickly from the application. Now guys, I'm taking this application, okay? First of all, this entire tool, simply it is available as a plugin which is available on selectorsub.com. Again, you can go to the website and just add it to any browser. Okay. Once you add it to any browser, guys, again, it's a free tool, everyone, right? So you can easily follow that. And now please have a look. Suppose I'm opening this application, automation testing practice site. And why this is so? Because here you can see some links are already mentioned as a broken links, correct? And absolutely manually also we can able to test it. Now currently link list is very less. That's the reason. But again, through automation also I can able to validate it. But the best part is what? We have this tool, we have this plugin. What you can do, just click on check my links and see how beautifully it is scanning the entire web page and it is simply identifying out of all the links, total link it found, you can see here 33. Out of 33, valids are 18, even redirect links are 7. No warning, but how many links are invalid? You can see 8 links are invalid. So basically, check my link tool. What exactly it is doing? This tool automatically scan the web page and identify this kind of links, valid, invalid, redirect, and all. So instead of spending hours on clicking link, what do you think? Manually again, right? Tester can quickly identify issue and even focus on fixing them right before it is encountered by any user. Even best part of this tool is what, guys, here whatever after result, you can directly click on export all, and whenever you click you will get the complete report also. Means these many links, status code, these many links URL you can see, and this is how the labels and everything is got okay automatically captured. That is another best part of this tool, correct? So simple link issue can have a huge impact, guys, and this tool help you to catch those issues early, right? So challenge is not finding links. Challenge is what? Ensuring that every link work correctly before user click on it. And that's where exactly we can use this tool, check my link. So explore this tool for more detail. And thank you for watching.